Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying hardware compatibility and firmware versions so your network can form correctly. Plug the primary node into the modem and power it. Once it boots, open the vendor app or web UI to start setup. You will create or reuse an SSID and password and set a unique admin login. Make sure to plan node positions now. Central versus edge placement affects backhaul quality. Once done, save settings and let the primary node broadcast before adding secondaries. Next, you add secondary nodes one at a time while the main node is stable, and you watch LEDs to confirm successful joins. You will choose wired backhaul for best throughput when feasible. Otherwise, make sure each node uses distinct channels and correct bands to reduce interference. Enable band steering and 802. 11K/V/R to improve roaming performance, and assign Co-S priorities for latency-sensitive devices. Once nodes report healthy status, run a walk test to check seamless handoff and signal consistency across the area. Finally, validate the mesh by running speed and latency tests at representative spots so you confirm coverage and throughput versus expectations. You should update firmware on every node and enable centralized monitoring or logs to spot jitter, packet loss, or weak links. If you hit problems, reboot the problematic node, temporarily use wired backhaul, or move the node closer to reduce obstructions. Make sure to check channel overlap. If nothing fixes it, perform a factory reset and reprovision the node as.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.